Okay, looks like we're having more trouble with the Polycom, so we'll do like we did this morning. Shannon, you can put us on the record now. Okay, this is the matter of Doris Lafitte. Let's first have the attorneys state their appearances.
That way, prosecutor's office.
Mike Kelly on behalf of the mother.
Ivan Brown on behalf of Doris Lafitte, senior father.
Rebecca McCluskey, guardian ad litem.
Okay, and let's see, who else do we have here? Ms. Hukill is on behalf of the petitioner. We have, well, I just lost. I had Dee's phone and it just disappeared. Morgan Engelhart, foster mother, is present. You need that spelling, Shannon? And Kaylin Richards. Is present, and I don't know what happened to Dee's iPhone. It just disappeared. Was that the mother?
Yes.
Your Honor, for the court's information, I have called both numbers that I have for Miss Green and have not been successful in reaching her once. So I have no idea what her position is going to be today.
All right, she's back. She disappeared from the screen, but remained logged in. Oh, there we are.
Can you hear me?
I don't know how I could. All right, yes, we can. State your name, please.
Diamond Green.
All right, Ms. Green, your connection doesn't seem to be the best, but it might be possible for me to dial your phone so that we can hear you and you can hear us a little better. Are you having any trouble hearing me?
Yeah, that's why I came to the house to try to hear you better. But I have a number if you can dial that.
What is that number?
Area code 313 765 3238.
All right, let me try that now.
Hello?
Hello, Ms. Green, can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
All right, very good. Okay, and are we expecting Doris Lafitte to appear?
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Mr. Way?
Yeah, he hasn't appeared since I think he entered a plea, Your Honor.
All right, fair enough. Okay, we're scheduled for a hearing on termination of parental rights. Is there anything preliminary?
Yes, Your Honor. I sent I forwarded an email to the attorneys this morning from Dr. Lauder. I had subpoenaed Dr. Lauder. Her psych eval of Ms. Green is referenced in the petition. Dr. Lauder indicated to me that the report is 2 years old, was done when she was a minor. And that she, number one, I guess, didn't think that was necessarily valid, that 2018 evaluation. And she didn't want to do another one because she thought it would be a conflict given her 2018 evaluation said that the mother wasn't capable of parenting. So I just wanted to put that information on the record and maybe just stipulate, I think, to the admission of that, if Mr. Kelly is comfortable with that. It leaves us without a psych eval, but given the lack of progress, I think we still want to proceed with the trial. And second, I would also ask that the court take judicial notice of the file. Thank you.
I can take judicial notice of the file and will. What you're asking is that the court simply acknowledge that Dr. Lauder does not believe that a 2-year-old psych eval is something that we should be using today to be making decisions based on, but you would like to proceed without a psych eval. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor. I feel obligated to disclose that to the court and the parties. Her exact wording is she didn't know how much help she could be since the validity of the 2018 evaluation is questionable. So given that, I wouldn't want to present any evidence that might be not valid.
All right, and I know that the psych eval is a part of the court's file, but I will disregard it for purposes of today's termination hearing.
Thank you.
Anything else preliminary?
Your Honor, since we actually have a valid number for my client, it might behoove me, I don't know if the court would provide me with a moment to actually speak with her regarding what is going on this afternoon.
Absolutely. Let me do, did you write the number down, Mr. Kelly?
Yes, I did.
All right, so Ms. Green, you're still there? Ms. Green? Hello?
Yes.
All right. Your attorney would like to speak with you, so I'm going to hang up right now.
Okay.
He's going to talk to you off the record, and then when he's ready to come resume the proceeding, he will let me know, and then I will dial this number back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, go ahead, Mr. Kelly.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Shannon, you can take us off the record for now. I'm going to keep the live stream going, even though there's nothing happening. And as soon as Mr. Kelly lets us know he's ready, we'll continue.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Miss Green,
Just a second. Shannon, could you put us back on the record? I'm sorry. Go ahead, Mr. Kelly.
Mr. Green indicates she has not received a copy of the petition and has basically no idea what's going on in the case. I don't know if she ever was served with a copy of the petition. I have one, but it's hard to go over a 6-page document with her over the phone. I would request an adjournment so she gets a copy of the actual petition and get a new date so I'd have an opportunity to review it with her, because what I've read to her, of course, she's indicating to me it's appointments that she supposedly had, she either made or the appointments didn't occur in the first place. So this sounds like it's going to be a little bit of a fiasco. So I would like her to be able to read through that entire petition and have us have an opportunity to discuss it. So when we come back, she can ultimately provide testimony to the court that may be beneficial in its determination of the outcome of this case.
Shannon tells me she was served by publication.
So the hearing, but the actual petition itself, I don't know. She's indicating to me she didn't receive an actual copy of it. I've had 2 numbers for her, and when I told her the numbers that I had, she admitted one of them was hers, but the other one she says she hasn't had in 2 years, which I found odd because it was on the original petition that was just filed this year.
Did she give you a current address?
No, just that number that the court has.
Well, it's kind of hard to furnish her with a copy of the petition if we don't know what her address is.
True. So maybe we
Let me get her back.
get
let me
her
get her
on
on
the
the
phone
phone
and find out.
Yeah, and even if she could provide us with an email address, that might be easier given the circumstances we're living in.
Well, it didn't ring through. Let me try again.
Hello?
Is this Diamond Green?
Yes, it's her.
Ms. Green, this is Judge LaFlamme. Your attorney just advised us that you have not seen a copy of this termination petition and asked that we provide you with one and adjourn the hearing today, give you an opportunity to review it and discuss it with your attorney. I'm inclined to grant that request, but we need to know where to send it. What is your current mailing address?
It's 335 Oak, O-A-K, Grove, Grove Avenue, apartment M as in Mary, Jackson, Michigan, 48903.
49203?
Yes,
Did you have the apartment M? Okay, that's the address we have. Do you also have an email address so we can make sure you get this?
yes, I have email address. One second. It's G Diamond 060 at gmail.com.
All right, we will mail and email a copy to you. Shannon, how do we look schedule-wise? Well, how do we look a week from now? That's probably not the best day to do it.
Olivier,
How about the 30th?
Olivier was adjourned, so we don't have that next week.
22nd? What is on the 22nd?
Your Honor, I would just like to make sure there's adequate time in the event, for whatever reason, she's unable to open the attachment that's sent via email for regular mail to work. And it seems regular mail is taking upwards of 3 to 4 days, even in town.
What about the 29th, Shannon? How does that look? Olivier and Johnson are scheduled at 1 o'clock on the 29th. How involved do those appear to be?
Olivier is a temporary request that's fairly straightforward. Is it Dakota Johnson?
Yeah, Matt.
That's that's another termination trial. I mean, I would imagine we could get through all three in an afternoon.
All right, well,
November 29th at 1:30.
we'll set it for 1:30 on the 29th then.
And can I just confirm Ms. Diamond or Ms. Green, it's G as in green, diamond 060 at gmail.com?
Yes.
Okay, I will send that, I will send the email this afternoon and copy Mr. Kelly on that, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. That concludes our matters for today. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good day, ma'am.